Hey, this is Cloud Tank again, and I'm going to be doing a kind of a sound video for this jukebox. So this is on my Rowe AMI Solid State Stereo Jukebox 200 selection. I got the I got a new different amplifier in here that I told you in my last video. There's the different amplifiers that I put in the machine itself. Right now I'm going to do a sound test for you, and of course I got my color selection in there, as you already seen, and I got a special adapter in there that's been made. I'll show you what this adapter looks like here. A small end that's just a bit undersized, so some records it's a little bit too big, a little too small for it, others are just right, but the small holes on a lot of these records vary quite a bit, so. And I use the extra rod in there so that way I don't have to bolt this thing down and the record doesn't take it with it, so it's always good to have a little extra distance. So I'm going to pick one in here. I'm going to pick one from Korn. So this one's got a political advisory for it, so I'll give you a sound test on this. Right here, this is just up just a hair. The bubbles are just about right there on this knob, so and the starting point's right over here. See, I can just barely get this thing up to a quarter without pretty much blowing my ears out on this thing. I can only imagine what would happen if you actually crank this thing about halfway when you listen to any of these records in here. It might get a little too loud for anyone to hear. I'll give you another demonstration on another one. We'll go with the 2 limited one that's in here. Go with the orchestra edit. Yeah, this thing gets pretty loud, definitely, yes. So, well, like I said, that's real cool. So if you really want to go out jamming, this is like the best way to actually do it anyway. Especially if you're not too worried about having a jukebox original, and you want something that actually really kicks out higher than the amplifiers that they built for these things. Probably just go with the ones that they got. I can't exactly remember the model for this one at all. This is a, let's see. Let's see if I can move some of this stuff out of my way first. So I can get to it. I kind of got it buried in here, so don't mind all the extra junk around me. Alright. Lots of stuff, lots of stuff. This is a Yamaha Natural Sound Stereo Amplifier A-27. Real kick-ass amplifier. It's got a video, AUX input, CD input, tuner, and the photograph. Which, of course, for the tuner, you gotta have a separate radio system for it, because this thing doesn't have radio signals to go with it, so it just got a light and a sound bar, as you see right here. This will be the sound bar. And of course, if you really wanted to make this thing into like surround sound system, then you can easily hook it to like 4 other speakers, like the 2 that we got here, and the one there that we got hanging up on the wall, and there's like another one sitting over here. You could actually hook it to something like that. So like, you know, definitely, this would definitely be good if you were running like a music store and you were selling records or CDs and whatever, and you wanted to hook a jukebox to speakers and have speakers all around the store. This would be the best way to do, is get one of those. Wow. Oh yeah, this thing definitely has a lot of power to it. A lot of power. I'll give you a good song from the 90s here. This one was kind of hard for me to find.
And have some fun. When we're done, satisfaction of what's to come.
Oh, I hope you all enjoy the show. We'll see ya.